What's going on, World Wide Web? It's your boy, Marlon O Bennett. Guys, in today's Build a List, Build a Business YouTube video, guys, I want to talk about automation, duplication, and replication. Okay? I want to talk about automation, duplication, and replication. That's what we're after here, guys. In my last video, I talked about another one of those reasons why we should be building our list if we wanted to build a business. And if you could build a list, you could build a business. I'm sorry, guys. And when we talked about some of those, the three things you want to sign up more members in your business. You want to make sales, okay? So that's why you want to constantly be building your list. Now, when we talk about automation, duplication, and replication, that's just another one of those perks, okay, that you get to participate in, right? If you want to call it a perk, when you actually are building your list, okay? Because first, let's talk about the automation, right? Let's talk about automation. At any given time, guys, at any given time when you start your email marketing campaign, okay, as an internet marketer, right? And you start going out here driving massive traffic into your capture pages, right? Driving traffic to your websites. At any given time, you could actually have hundreds or thousands of people viewing your offers, guys. Hundreds, thousands of people viewing your offers simultaneously, okay? And we're talking about 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and 365 days out of the year, okay? That's automation. And it's very powerful when you come to understand it and you start to implement this type of strategy in your email marketing campaigns, okay? Now, next, let's talk about duplication, okay? Because if you can automate a particular process, then you can duplicate that process as well. And here's the benefit of duplication, guys. We already talked about the automation part, but let's talk about the duplication side. That's other people joining you, right? And copying what you do, okay? That's other people joining you and copying what it is you're doing. Okay, this is how I plan to build a massive team, guys, of affiliates, okay, other like-minded individuals using duplication, okay? So now we talked about automation, and now we talked about duplication, because when you can automate and you can duplicate, then you can replicate, okay? And when you guys hear me talk about those passive streams of residual income that can grow exponentially, that's where replication comes in, guys. And that's what we want to be doing, okay? Now, if you noticed online as of late, one of the things that's trending as far as I'm concerned is a lot of times, guys, with the economy being in question, a lot of people are going to be a lot more hesitant to get involved in big ticket programs, okay, or businesses right off the block. A lot of people are not going to do it. People who even have the money may be a little more skeptical than those who don't. So one of the things that I think is very important, guys, that we have a price points that the average person can come in on, okay, where you're able to make a decent amount of money, a return on your investment as you go out to start to market and advertise, and at the same time create automation, duplication, and replication so that your income, okay, residual income that you can create will continue and can continue to grow exponentially, if that makes sense, okay? So now, guys, if you were on my last video, you guys know that I'm actually going to be doing starting a campaign today. I'm running some solo ads, guys. I'm starting a new campaign, and I told you guys that I was going to actually, you guys will actually see. I'm going to run this traffic, guys. I'm going to let you guys know exactly what the outcome of the traffic that I'm going to run, because I want this. This is a test that I'm actually doing with the Online Sales Pro. By the way, guys, this particular page that you're looking at was one that I just created inside the Online Sales Pro, I don't know, a week or so ago. Anyway, it's a part of the campaign that I'm getting ready to start running. But the point is this. I built this capture page, guys, with the Online Sales Pro software, Okay, and you guys know that I'm really fond of Online Sales Pro just because of these types of things that you're able to do. So I built this particular page for that. Now, again, guys, my ultimate goal, right, and what I talk about and what you should be getting from the Build a List, Build a Business YouTube video series, guys, is when you step out into this process, okay, where we know it all starts with the capture page, and we're talking about following up with your prospects as they come onto your list. We talk about traffic, okay? That's what makes this gigantic, what seems to be a gigantic piece of a puzzle work, but it's really very simple when you understand those basic principles, okay? So I'm sorry, I don't mean to get off script, but when we going back to the automation, the duplication, and the replication, that's one thing that you definitely want to be implementing in this particular structure as you go out and start to build your list. Okay, so that's what this video is all about. Now, when you get the Online Sales Pro, guys, as part of the Online Sales Pro, we already know that you're able to create these types of pages, these types of funnels, okay? You got various types of thank you pages and all kinds of other great great software. Well, the software is great back then. You can get in here, you can do all of these types of things. Now, the beauty of having the Online Sales Pro is the fact that we have what we call share codes inside, and we're going to be talking about that a little later on, guys. But today, I really want you to start thinking, right, about automation, duplication, and replication. Okay, and when you think about that, think about the fact that it's probably going to be a little easier to get people to come in on your business opportunities and your products and services if there's a price point that's appealing to the masses. Okay. Ultimately, you know, our plan is to move on to higher ticket programs and even services to tie into our marketing as well. Okay, but think that way. Think about the power of being able to automate, duplicate, and replicate. Again, by automating, you can have hundreds of, or even thousands of people watching, viewing your offers at any given time, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days in a year. Duplication, when you have systems and sales funnels that go out and do all the explaining and training for you, that's going to make it easy for you to duplicate what it is you're doing. And then ultimately replication, that's people following you into whatever business opportunity, products and services that you have to offer, and actually giving the ability, your earning potential, a massive residual and exponential component. Wow, that was a mouthful. But that's the beauty of email marketing, guys, and that's what our goal is. Okay, at the end of the day, we want to build our teams, right? Sign up members and make sales. The Online Sales Pro is a great place to be in terms of the software that's going to enable you to do that. And don't forget, again, guys, don't forget about the fact that we have share codes. You guys have seen me talk about the Boss Excel Supercharged Sales Loop. That particular done for you automated sales funnel is actually housed inside of the Online Sales Pro software. Okay. Anyway, guys, for you guys who still sitting on the fence, for you guys who may not already have an opportunity, you know, that you want to start making money online. That's something that you seriously are moving towards. You know, I mean, you guys see the videos that I do. Then this link will actually be in the description area of the YouTube video. You guys will actually see what I've done here. It'll redirect you to the actual sales presentation for the Online Sales Pro. But the Online Sales Pro is incredible, guys. And again, when we talk about automation, we talk about duplication, and we talk about replication, it's a great place to start in terms of getting out there and putting this process together. Anyway, guys, that's my time for this video. I'm going to see you guys later on in another video. I appreciate you staying plugged into the channel. If you're getting here for the first time, subscribe. I appreciate all you guys so very, very much. This is your boy, Marlon O Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living an internet lifestyle without limits. Keep banging, guys. I'll see you on the next video.